Okay, now let us do exercise 17B. Children, I'll be doing very important sums from this exercise. This much will do for your exam purpose. So, you people concentrate on this. Learn the concepts, whatever concepts we have taught you. Based on it, you try and solve the problems. Okay. Now, here you have a circle, and in the circle they have given A, B, B, C and C, D. Okay, now these three chords are equal chords. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Equal chords will subtend equal angle at the center. So if you join, now if I name the center as O, join BO and join CO. So they will subtend equal angles, okay, at the center. Now AOD is a straight line. It's a diameter and it is a straight line. Now these three angles are equal. The three angles are equal. That means what? Here you should give reason. Now first join OB, OC, and then we need to join AE for proving purpose. Okay, now next we are trying to prove we have to find the angle at the center. We need to find out what is the angle at the center. Okay, now see here, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. So equal angles subtend equal angles. So angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD. Now you know that AOD is a straight line. AOD is a straight line. So the three angles, equal angles will be 180 divided by 3. So each angle will be 60 degree. So each angle AOB is equal to 60, BOC is equal to 60 and COD is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now, so we have finished with this. So this is 60 degree. We'll keep it like that only. Now, if you see here, OA and OB, OC and OD are the radii of the circle. Okay, and they are equal. So we'll take in triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, OA is equal to OB. Why? Radii of the same circle. So they are equal. Now since these two sides are equal, triangle AOB is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, AOB is isosceles. Okay. Now, what will be the base angles of the isosceles? They will be equal, isn't it so? So, angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA. Now, how much each will be equal to? You know, out of this triangle, okay, now this is 60, so automatically these two will be 60, 60. So, each will be 60 degree. Okay. Now, let's take this upper part of the diameter. Now, in the cyclic quadrilateral ADEF, ADEF is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Now, you see, when I join this A and E here, this angle here, okay, this angle is the angle formed at the circumference. So this angle here will be this angle here will be, now if you join this, now this angle is angle at the semicircle. Okay, so angle AED will be angle at the semicircle. Angle AED is equal to 90 degree angle at the angle in the semicircle. Okay, now but FED, angle FED is 110, but angle FED is equal to 110 degree. Now FED is made up of two angles now, AED and AEF. So FED is equal to angle AED plus angle AEF. We have to find out what is angle AEF. Now FED is 110. Okay. This is equal to AED is 90 degree plus angle AEF. Now angle AEF is equal to 110 minus 90 degree. This will be 20 degree. Equal to angle AEF. Okay. Now we need to find out BAF. We need to find out angle BAF or FAB. Okay, so we have found out the first angle, what they have asked for. Second, we need to find out BAF, angle BAF. Now see here, BAF is again made up of two angles. One is, now here in this cyclic quadrilateral, here this angle FAD, okay, FAD will be opposite angles here, isn't it? So, or supplementary. So angle FAD will be, so angle FAD is equal to 180 minus 110. Okay, so this will be equal to 70 degree. Okay, so this angle here will be 70 degree because the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, now this we have already found out, it is 60 degree. So we need to find FAB. Now FAB will be angle FAB, this is the second one, angle FAB will be equal to angle OAB plus angle FAD. Okay, OAB plus FAD. Now this will be equal to, OAB is 60 degree plus FAD is 70 degree, which is equal to 130 degree. Okay, so this is 60 degree and plus 70 degree, which will be 130 degree. So angle FAB will be equal to 130 degree. This you all understood now, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. So I have subtracted 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degree. I'll write it again, which is equal to 70 degree. Okay.